What's going on, YouTubers, gunners, subscribers, all my people out there, man? Today is finally the video. Oh, man, what a crazy day I'm having on social media. Oh, my God. If you know, you know. That's it. But I won't bring it here on YouTube. We'll keep it all positive and fun. Today is the video where you get the details on how to win this car for 60 bucks. So I've got some stuff laid out on the table. I'm going to give you the most in-depth detail that I can possibly give to make your life so much easier and understanding how this raffle slash giveaway works. So without further ado, let's keep the positivity and keep gunning. Okay, so O-Ren, we gave you the review yesterday. We told you everything about the car. I'm sorry I missed a few details. I forgot to mention the computer. It's a Honda K-Pro version 3. I apologize about that. Guys, sometimes I get a little nervous and I kind of forget stuff. So also, we found out that the shifter I was using was a fake knockoff K-tuned one. So I took that and I chucked it basically. I rode it down with my bike. If you're interested in seeing that funny video, just go on my Instagram and you'll see it. It's Ghost Boy Aki. And two things we don't support in this country: commies and knockoff parts. We're getting a brand new shifter in the box from K-Tune by today or tomorrow. They already shipped it out. Good catch on that. I had no idea that they even made knockoff K-Tune billet shifters. So we've got all our hardware ready for when we get the new one. We'll slap a brand. So the winner of this car is going to have a brand new shifter box. So I don't know how good my lighting is here, but I've got like a custom design K-Pro version 3. It's got the clear casing with the keep gunning laser edged in it, and all the wiring is nice and clean. So that's that. I did forget to mention that. I apologize, but the car's 100%. I hope you guys liked the video from yesterday. So, oh my God, why are you slamming that door like you own it, boss? I'm going to jump over to the table and I'm going to show you guys exactly how this raffle is going to work. Ladies and gentlemen, the reason that I am doing the raffle this way with these boxes is I'm not like everyone else. I don't chase the dollar. I don't try to take advantage of my subscribers slash followers slash gunners. So this is the raffle book that we've always been using, right? So we'll go over to Scarlett when we raffled her off, right? Bear with me, because this makes so much sense. So this is Scarlett's raffle, right? And in this raffle, there was 300 numbers, correct? At 50 bucks. 300 at 50 bucks. After the raffle, I felt bad, because I'm like, damn, you know, the only thing people got was a picture of their number or like a slight video on my Instagram with their number. So they didn't really get to obtain anything and keep nothing. So I said to myself, you know what? Let me come up with a design and some kind of merchandise based on O-Ren. So that way, you're not just stuck with a photo of a number. Because ultimately, we're all human beings and we have to do the right thing. You got to have some kind of morals. You have to have something that you look forward to living for. And what I live for is consistency, loyalty, and having morals. So we came up with an awesome design and we created a box to where you spend $60 per box. There is a limit. And I cannot tell you the limit because we all talked about it a few times, how people like counting the gunner's pockets. So we came up with a hat design, a lanyard design, and a slap sticker. So 4 different colorways, because I know people are going to purchase multiple boxes and do so. I didn't want to give you 4 black hats, or I didn't want to give you 4 red hats. So we came up with 4 different colors. And after this clip, we'll go into detail about it. So keepgunnin.com, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. There will be an option for you to purchase a box, and inside the box will be a dad hat, a lanyard, and a 4x4 slap sticker. In each box, there will be a raffle ticket. On our end, your other side of the raffle ticket has your name and full address. You cannot rig this raffle. We've already planned ahead. So let me show you the cool merch. Okay, so we created a 4 colorway design. Now, this is the night fight from the movie Kill Bill when O-Ren fought Black Mamba, Irma Thurman. So this is the charcoal gray design. This is the royal blue. Excuse me. This is black. And, oh my God, this should have been easier. And this is red. Let's see if I can touch it. And now you get a lanyard that is in 2 pieces. It says "Keep Gunnin' O-Ren" with the Jap flag. And then now every order will be just like this. So let's take the red one, right? So inside here, inside this box, it'll go like this. You'll have your lanyard, you'll have your slap sticker, and you'll have your hat in here, correct? And inside the box will be a raffle ticket. And then that's how you'll have the opportunity to win O-Ren. Now, why is it done this way? I could have filled this book easily, maybe in about 10 minutes. It would have taken me longer to write the names down than to actually accept payments for the raffle. What I didn't want to do is have, a whole hundreds of people that didn't get anything out of it. So if you do lose, let's say you joined and you lost and you bought a box, at least you got a hat, a lanyard, and a sticker. We didn't completely just take your money and run away and one person wins. So at least you get to keep something in memory that you were involved in this giveaway, in this raffle. Now I also want to ask you guys something. Is it a raffle or is it a giveaway? Because technically I am selling you basically for $60 a hat, a lanyard, and a sticker. And then the giveaway, I guess, is the car because of the raffle ticket. But I'd like to get your perspective on it. So, yes, 4 different colors. Now, why did we also do 4 different colors? I think I spoke on this earlier. You cannot pick the color of the hat. That's first of all, right? And we didn't want to just have everyone having a blue hat. We wanted to switch it up a little bit with some flavor, and that's basically it. So now I'll sit back down and I'll have a conversation with you guys about how do you pick this car up if you win it. I didn't want to add more hats and more boxes to cover shipping, right? Because now it lessens the chances and the opportunity of you winning the car. So if you win the car, you have basically 72 hours to pick up the car. Now, you might say, hey, Aki, I'm joining in from California. How do I get the car? Brother, you're winning a car that's worth almost $25,000, $30,000. You can either borrow the money, somebody helps you out, and you can get the car picked up from here, from U-Ship, for about $1,200, maybe a $900. It depends on how U-Ship is scheduling their deliveries. You guys are more than welcomed to come pick up the car. It has a clean Connecticut title. If you want me to give that to the transporter, or if you want me to next day air it, I will pay for the next day airing. If you don't feel comfortable with the transporter having the title to the car, at least you have it. And if anything happens, you have the proof that the car belongs to you. So let me know what you guys think about that, because I could have easily added, I don't know, an extra 50 or 100 boxes to cover shipping, but that would have lessened the chances of you guys winning. So it's okay. You know what? You spent $60. You won the car. You live in Florida. It might only take you $600 to get it delivered to you. So for $660, basically, you own this beautiful car that I built. So let me know what you guys think about that. I appreciate all of your loyalty, all of your support. So one more time, let's run this down, because honestly, I'm answering the same questions a whole bunch of times. 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, keepgunning.com. I will put the link down below. You go on there, first come, first serve. The last raffle was sold out in 3 minutes to 98 people. 98 people occupied 300 spots. I think the bare minimum was like buying 3 spots per person. So first come, first serve. It's not up to me to answer your DM and copy and paste. Now it's more on the technology side. It's more efficient. So I appreciate you guys, man. Good luck to all of you. This is the video giving you the exact instructions on how to win O-Ren. Like, comment, subscribe. If you have anyone that wants to join this raffle, please share the link with them. If you have anyone with questions, please share the link with them. I love you guys. Thank you for standing 10 toes down with me. Keep gunning.